but actually a physical therapy and rehabilitation. Minsan stretching, minsan may mga exercise and mga makina, machines, mga aparatus na ginagamit po para mawala yung pain ng pasyente. So, those are some of the patients that I have been treating just this week sa clinic po. Osteoarthritis, tendinitis, kneecap pain, meniscus injuries. Also, of course, may mga hip arthritis patients na pupunta sa akin, but that will be discussed in the next video siguro po. A lot of the patients are osteoarthritis, but hindi lang kasi osteoarthritis yung mga patients ko. You have to understand, mga kapatid, mga arthritis warriors, mga katuhod, na merong maraming types of arthritis. Osteoarthritis is one, but yung most popular form is yung sa food, yung tinatawag na gout, yung tinatawag na uric acid arthritis. It comes to a point na yung severity of gout, which starts sa big toe, talagang nagsastart siya sa toes and fingers. Pag sobra na yung uric acid, it also affects the knee po. So uric acid arthritis, tinitreat usually by diet and exercise. I give my patients a link and a pamphlet kung anong foods na pwedeng